Hey guys and gals, happy Thanksgiving. So you already know it's your girl Shareen Nicole back with another video. I know y'all wondering what's going on with this hair right here, but if you want to see the rest of this video, stay tuned. Alright guys, let's get this wig review started. So the company that I bought this wig from is from AliExpress. Their name is Bella Hair. And the color is an HL 227/144. Sorry guys. So that's a mouthful. And it's a lace frontal. And the name is Marion, I'm assuming, because that's what it has here. It's a WSB lace frontal Marion. And I like it for the price. I think this is super affordable. It's better than, some wigs that you're getting for $50, you know, or you're spending a little bit more on the hair. And I guess it's just because it's a lace front. The lace on this is really soft. It's not that rough lace that you get from the beauty supply store. It does have 3 combs, in the front, which I missed one to show you guys. One in the middle, 2 on the sides, and 1 in the back. It also has adjustable straps, which I missed to show you. But I am going to show you the color. So the color of the lace, I'm not too fond of. The color is like ashy white, and I'm just not loving it. I'm not liking that at all. But I do blend it in. I didn't do it on camera, but I do use my foundation. I believe I show you, or I can put a picture in of my foundation here as well. So I can show you what color foundation I used, and it's from Il Makiage. So right here, I'm just putting this wig on and try to get it situated. Now, the hairline itself, I don't believe it's that bad. They tried to mimic a hairline. So it's kind of like, a little peak in the front, but not really. Kind of like a swoop, like a little round dip in the front. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Like, I like it. I would definitely rock this hair. I love the color. The curls are beautiful. And as you can see, it's really skimpy right now because I haven't pulled the curls out. But once you guys pull the curls out, you're going to really love this wig. If you like big hair, like the curls do pull out nice. I should have taken the time to wet it on camera, just to see the reaction of that, but I did not. I don't know. Guys, tell me what your thoughts on this hair is. It is a little shiny, but that's expected with new wigs. And the shine doesn't bother me. I really don't care about stuff like that. You got some people that don't like shine in a wig because it looks fake. Listen, it's not your hair, honey. It's going to be okay. So I already cut the lace off. I'm showing you guys the white part, that color. Yeah, that's not a flattering color. And I'm showing you guys the parting that they have. I mean, they did a really good job with the baby hair line. The lineup and the baby hairs do go all the way around. I chose not to be fiddled and bothered with that, all of that baby hair madness. And I'm just not too good at the baby hairs. So I just, you know, do a little here and there to hold the wig down. Then I'll tuck my wig in or something like that on the side so you can't tell. I mean, you're just going out or you're just going to the store. And especially if you're using Got2b glue, it's definitely going to hold down the wig regardless. And you have the stability of the clips that are inserted into the wig. So right here, guys, this is where it goes down because I am literally trying to get these baby hairs to work. I got my little toothbrush thingy with the comb on the other end. I got my Got2b glue, guys. I am ready to rock and roll. And when I tell you these hairs did not want to cooperate, I don't know if it's just I'm having a bad day. They didn't want to cooperate at all. And I've done my baby hairs, at least my own baby hairs, my real baby hairs, all the time. And I've done other wigs before, but those wigs were human. So that could be why I'm having a slight issue with doing these baby hairs because the hair, like I said, is synthetic. But they give you a good amount. They go all the way down to like the middle of your eye. And, yeah, I mean, you can see like the struggle is real, guys. I know, like I said, I am not the best at baby hairs, but they were super long, so I decided to cut them down a bit. I mean, that swoop doesn't look too bad. I don't know what I was doing with the other side. It wasn't working. Like, I was really trying. One of those bad hair days, guys. One of those bad hair days. Like, I really was so excited to show you guys his hair, and it wasn't doing it for me. Okay, so I'm going to let you guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video and stop rambling on. Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, guys. So, as you saw, I was having a very hard time with this wig. I do like that the curls are super beautiful. Like, look at this. I love the color. It does get a little knotty, so I'm not too fond about that. But overall, it's a really good wig. It's really full synthetic wig. I just pushed it to the side so you guys can see. I did not glue it down. So if you don't want to glue it down, you can always just tuck behind the ear and then leave a little bit forward like that. Nobody will ever know. These baby hairs are a little too thick in the front, and I cut them because, well, the baby hairs actually came with the wig, but then I cut them a little bit shorter because they were like all down here, and I just made them shorter. So, I like it though. I would definitely rock this. Maybe, you know, if you want fuller hair, you can always separate the curls. But as you can see, I separated some of the curls and it gets super big. Like, this is non-separated except for right here. It got a little separated. But this is more sleek, and you see how this is more voluminous. That's because I already separated these these curls. And yeah. So, I don't know. What do you guys think about this wig? I like it. You could put it up like that. Put a little clip there. You could put it up like this. Put a little clip here. It's not bad. As you see, there's more baby hair sticking out. So you've got more to work with. I chose not to. I'm not like the baby hair queen, but you know, I try. All right, guys. So thank you for joining me on this video. Happy Thanksgiving. And make sure you like, comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I want to thank all my subscribers for joining me, and I want to thank all my new subscribers that I just got. I'm very excited that you're here. You're a part of my guys and girls. Bye.